Hi everyone, Jerry James Stone here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make Thousand Island dressing from scratch. So before I get started though, I just want to tell you I have a lot of salad recipes and dressing recipes, so be sure to check those out. I have a playlist that has them all, so if you're looking for healthy, fun, delicious, tasty, everything that you like about a salad in a salad, check out that playlist, okay? But today I'm going to show you how to make Thousand Island dressing, so let's get to that. Okay, so homemade Thousand Island dressing starts off with a whole lot of mayonnaise, and I add in some pickled relish there. Some apple cider vinegar, some minced shallot, salt, ketchup, and a hard-boiled egg that I've diced up. Now we're just going to mix this all together. It's really the hard-boiled egg that makes homemade Thousand Island so delicious. And I have to say, it's a bit of a guilty pleasure because there's nothing sexy about Thousand Island dressing. It's, you know, it's mayo-based. It's very 1970s in so many ways, but that hard-boiled egg for like a homemade Thousand Island dressing is like, it's the cat's meow, I promise you. You're really gonna like it. And just put the dressing on our salad. How tasty does that look? Okay, I'm gonna go eat this, guys. There you go. Simple, easy, delicious Thousand Island dressing. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.